Hello, I would just like to show you another invention that I have made primarily out of necessity. I was at a steampunk event and found that my backpack was becoming a burden in terms of portability and connecting everything to it, so I decided to invent this. I shall keep my backpack as I have put a lot of work into it and I could still use it at some events, but as you can see, it is rather cumbersome, so I decided to invent something that replicates the functionality of the backpack in a more manageable size. I have controls at the top to override the autonomous head movements when I want a robot lady to look at a photographer, and I have the gesture controls which work in the same manner as before, in that I can still move my hands to control robots. This also works with my schedule computer, which can transmit commands to the robot with a numeric keypad and its menu system. There is a menu for transmitting commands to the robot for posing the arm. Here, you can see that I can use either the numeric keypad on the computer on my arm or the one on my new control box to control a robot. The gesture controls function in the same manner as with the backpack. In the future, there is still room for improvement. For example, I may put in additional controls, or perhaps I may replicate the theremin that the backpack has. So that's what I've been up to. That's it for another video, and thank you for watching.